What's up folks, welcome to the best family outdoor show ever. My name is Han, and in this video I'm going to show you how to maintain your battery terminals. It is spring and it's very likely that your batteries are corroded and your car's not going to start if you did not maintain your battery or remove it. But not to worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the corrosion and maintain your terminals. Mind you, if your battery is bad and dead, nothing is going to revive your vehicle except a new battery. However, with this video, you should at least get your car started to a place where you can change your battery perhaps easier. This is Han from the Best Family Outdoor Show. I hope you enjoyed this video on maintaining your battery. Peace out.
I want to show you guys something. There's corrosion here, corrosion here. It's spring. The last time I had this running was late November. So over the winter, this corrosion happened, and basically it's not starting. I don't think it's a weak battery. I think it's just the connections. So I'm going to give it a clean. We're going to use that thing right here, the general terminal cleaner that you can get anywhere. Okay, so here it is. It's opened. We're going to use that, give it a good scrape, all right, and clean that battery terminal up a little bit. See how that battery's doing. Here it is. I have my jumper, which would normally jump. It's, if you look at it, it's full. I'm gonna connect the negative, well, to the positive first. This thing's not really on yet, so it doesn't really matter what I do. But here it is. There's the positive terminal connector right there. Let's stick that in. Now let's get the negative on. Turn this guy to boost, which is already on. No one turned it off last time. And now let's give it a crank. See what happens. It should fail. Okay, the booster's been on for a while. Let's try to start it. Nothing. What's going on? On. Negative, positive. What's going on? Is the battery dead? What's up? No, nothing. Okay, this guy's not even getting a charge anymore. When I tried to boost it with my car, it was just struggling basically. Everybody knows how that sounds, so I won't do it. Now let's proceed to taking this out and cleaning it up. Okay, I'm gonna put on my trusty gloves, and then we will go on and remove this thing. I like wearing gloves because these things get dirty. My hands get so dirty. Let's loosen this guy up. Okay, that guy's pretty loose. And I've used these like so many times, and I don't know, the terminals are fine. So if you don't like these, get a proper wrench. But my trunk and my mobile setup to do this is much easier when I have this. I do have three different of these because I use it depending on how big I gotta reach in. But yeah, we gotta look at this thing carefully because I gotta give it a good clean. So look, that's loose. So let's get it out of the compartment and see what we're dealing with there. Oh yeah, that's a lot of corrosion, man. Nothing was touching there. It was just barely corroded. So let's look at it some more. Yeah, there's a lot of crap in there. We're gonna clean that good. This one, that's what we're dealing with. Oh, yeah, that's totally corroded, man. No wonder nothing's starting. Nothing's probably connecting anymore. So look at it carefully. That's what we're dealing with. See that level of corrosion there? Nothing's getting through. And this one looks okay, but it's possibly this one that's doing it. It looks really bad in my eyes. Just look at it from all angles. It's bad in every way because it's so coated. So I'm going to wire brush it and get rid of that grime. Now, if I can only find that tool I had. Okay, I have found it. So let's start scraping. Good idea to wear a mask. Unfortunately, I didn't bring one, so I'll just cover my nose. Old school style. So this is gonna get really nasty.
So firstly, I want to mention that you shouldn't be doing this while the terminals are connected. So make sure they're disconnected and not touching. Second, this battery maintenance tool is very common and can be found at any hardware store. If you're in a pinch, side of the road, and you need to clean your terminals because your car won't start, feel free to use a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, anything with enough power to scratch off that corrosion to make a clean connection. Thirdly, there is no set way to do this. Just make sure you go in and out, left and right, and get off as much corrosion as you can. And when I say corrosion, I mean that blue powder, which is caused from battery acid coming out from the terminals. Or Google sulfation, and you can read more about it. There are also many battery cleaning solutions you can use that helps prevent or slow down or even eliminate this problem. However, in this case here in the video, the buildup has already happened, and really the only way to remove it is by force. Once I have this thing running again and the terminal's half clean, what I'll do is spray a cleaning solution at the end and wire brush it one more time to make sure it's good.
Okay. Let's try it now. These terminals look good. Don't gotta do much here. A little bit of a refresher. There. Those are good. So hopefully when I connect this, something is brought across. Not even a spark. This battery is dead. So dead. This battery is dead. Super dead. I'll bring it home and charge it. Okay. Give it a boost and see what happens. Give it a good tightening to make sure the connection is nice. Then a quick boost. Attempt. Let's see what we're dealing with here. That's tight. That's tight too. Let's see what's up. Unless the battery is that bad, the booster should at least give it something. Something. At least turn the lights on. Okay, let's see how bad it is. Maybe it's that bad, who knows. If that's the case, I'll go home and charge the battery and see what happens. Lights turning on. Okay, so let's check it out. Key in. Aha, this time we got power. Let's check it out. Crap, I wish I had my booster cables, which I don't. Come on, buddy, boost it. Ayah. Okay, I need a booster cable. Okay, so I got negative to negative, positive to positive, and you gotta make sure the right side is connecting. Wire goes down, and the live side is this side. If this side is connected somewhere else and that side isn't, it's not gonna be live. Just make sure you got the right side of that clip. Okay, so negative, positive. And let's walk over to start the jumper car. It's got my trusty Mazda 3. from way back. It's a great work car. Yep, now let's hop on over to the RV. Oh, muddy day, muddy day. Should have our boots. Hopefully we get some power when I open this door. No power. Okay, let's hope the key gives me power. Yes, power. One, let's turn the vent off. Everything off. See what happens if I crank it. Is it gonna start? Nope, not enough power. Let's let that battery charge for a bit. Let's let it go. Give it like 15 minutes and then we'll try again.
If you don't wait long enough and you try too soon, you will get this.
No. Okay, 15 minutes has passed. This battery is shot if it doesn't get boost by now. Should not take that long. Okay, it's not shot after all. 15 minutes of charge time. Booyah. Starting good, so driving home now. Alright, so there it is. It started now. So it wasn't the battery after all. It was just the terminal that got corroded. The battery maybe might need to be replaced. There's a 5-year warranty. It's on its 4th year, so I'll probably bring it to Costco for a warranty replacement. Yep, but yeah, that's it. It's working now. Time to drive away. Alright folks, so it's time from the Best Family Outdoor Show. I hope that helped you a bit. Springtime's coming. A lot of you guys are going to be de-winterizing. You're likely going to run into these kind of problems if you didn't disconnect your batteries or put them for storage. So, hope this helps. Time for the Best Family Outdoor Show. Peace out. So here it is for kicks 1 week later. That's it. 1 week later. Things still starting. Started really strong actually. It's pretty cold. Right now it's a little bit above freezing because it's spring. So the fact that the battery can start right now in the cold, I think that's good. It's going to be way hotter in the summer when I use this thing, so it should be good. Because in Alberta, we go into the deep mountains. I don't like to have a weak battery. But if you're in somewhere that's really warm, honestly, it'll be fine. This battery is going to be fine. But for me, I would change it.